Hi guys, so let's unbox my tripod 3388 together. This is my new tripod stand and this is a phone tripod, not for cameras. You can see it's written here at the back. It's for phone, iPhone, Android, any phone, but definitely not for cameras. So I'm just going to open this so we can see what's inside. So this is the box and it comes with a carrier bag in case you want to go out, go and shoot outside or something. You can easily just carry the bag like this. It is very portable, and if you don't want to carry it by the hand, you can easily just hold it. So inside the carrier bag we have this. This is the phone holder, and then this is a cord for you to charge the Bluetooth shutter. So yeah, this is the Bluetooth shutter. So as you can see, this is the mouth where you plug this cord, then you plug this to a charger head. So you connect the Bluetooth to your phone, so you don't always have to like go to your phone to click on camera, click on snap, click on record video. You can always use this to do that. I'm just going to keep this aside for now. For the tripod, you can either make it short like this, or you can make it longer than this. You have this hook here in case you're shooting outside and you need somewhere to hang your bag. You can easily hang your bag here. So you can make it longer than this. Like I said, all you need to do is to just pull this up and then close it back. Make sure you close it back so when you put it on the floor, it won't be moving like this. It will be stable. So I didn't lock this part, that's why that wasn't stable. So we're just going to do that for all of them. So that is if you want it to be longer than that. So you can see how tall this is, like you can see how long, how tall this is. So we have different screws here and they are actually for different functions. We also have different controls here. So I'm just going to loosen this. So that is for this. If you want it to go up and down after attaching your phone, let me attach the phone stand to it. So I'm just going to screw this to this. So make sure it's firm. So you can see this can move up and down because we've unscrewed this part. So now for this part, if you unscrew it, this is to raise this head up. So you can see it can actually be longer than that. I think this is the end. So you just have to like lock this place back so it doesn't go back down or it doesn't fall off or something. This place also you have to screw it back. That's when you've gotten the sorry. So now for this, I'm sorry. So here, if you want it to go 360, you just have to loosen the screw. So here with that, it can go 360. So if you don't want it to be rolling like this, you can just lock this place back. And as you can see, it's not really moving again. So you have to loosen this place for it to go up and down, up and down. So let's assume my phone is here like this. You can easily set it up like this because this is the YouTube standard, so I can easily just set it up like this, and then you can just loosen this stuff. After setting it, you tighten it back and set your phone here, and then you shoot what you want to shoot. The legs, this is the neck, and this is the head. If you don't want to move the tripod or stuff like that, you can easily carry it from here also. If you don't want to move the phone, you don't want to be carrying it and moving it up and down, you can just loosen this part and then just rotate it freely like that. So this is it. So if you want to pack it back, all you need to do is to fix it back. Make sure you screw and tighten everything back so it's not dancing. Then you have to remove the phone stand also. Then you have to use it back. So now we're just going to put this neck back. After that, make sure to tighten this part back too. Then don't forget your Bluetooth shutter. So now you have to open this to close it back. Then you close, open this, close it back, then you close. So this is good for both indoor and outdoor shooting. And then I'm just going to use it like this. Putting it back inside. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Have an amazing day. Bye.